Hello amigos, 2025 is here. I'm Rupali Maske and let me ask you this. Is speaking fluent English still one of your dreams? How many times have you said, I will improve my English but then gave up because it felt too difficult? Friends, just dreaming isn't enough. You need the right plan and I'm here to give you exactly that. In today's video, I'll share 5 powerful and practical tips tailored for 2025 to help you master English faster than ever. And what if I told you with these simple 5 tips, you can finally fix your grammar mistakes and speak confidently? Sounds exciting, right? Stay with me because I promise you these tips are super easy, practical, and perfect for anyone, even if you are just starting out. And guess what? Last tip is something completely new that you haven't heard before. So stay with me till the end to start your English speaking journey right now. But before we start, let me tell you why learning English is so important this year. So first reason is more opportunities. Good English means better jobs, higher education, and even travel opportunities. Next is social confidence. Whether it's talking to new people or posting on social media, speaking English gives you confidence. And last one is technology. Many apps, websites, and tools are in English. So learning this language will make your life easier. So learning English isn't just a skill, it's the foundation of your bright future. And trust me, it's not as hard as you think if you follow these steps. Now let's see 5 simple tips to fix your English. Tip 1 is start speaking from day 1. Don't wait to become perfect. Start speaking English from today, even if it's just a few words. Say things like, I am eating, I will go to the market. Start thinking in simple English sentences. For example, instead of saying, मुझे चाय पीनी है, think, I want tea. It's okay if your sentences are short. The goal is to train your brain to process in English. And friends, don't worry about mistakes because mistakes mean you are learning. Tip 2 is learn basic grammar, not everything. Here is the secret. You don't need to know all grammar rules to speak well. When you are starting to learn English, mastering the basics is more important than knowing every grammar rule. Most daily conversations and written communications use simple structures. Trying to learn everything at once can overwhelm you. So focus on grammar basics like sentence structure. Use simple forms. For example, I eat apples, I play cricket, she cooks food. Next, focus on key tenses. Means master simple present, past and future tense. For example, I work, I went, I will go. Next, articles. Use a and the correctly. For example, I saw a dog. This is an umbrella. The sun rises in the east. Next, prepositions. Practice common ones like in, on, at, etc. For example, she is in the room. The book is on the table. Last one is pronoun. Replace repetitive nouns. For example, instead of saying Rupali is a girl and Rupali is my sister, say Rupali is a girl and she is my sister. And you can also use simple phrases from movies or shows and repeat them in real life. For example, I'm in love with you. I'll be there soon. I'm here. I'm happy. So by sticking to the basics, you will speak confidently in no time. Tip 3 is practice with AI and apps. So amigos, practice beats perfection. In 2025, you have so many ways to practice. Use your phone to improve your English. AI tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, and language learning apps have made learning English easier than ever. So try speaking into Google Assistant and see how well it understands you. Chat with AI tools like ChatGPT, they will reply in English and help you practice. Grammarly can fix your grammar in real time. So these tools adapt to your English level and help you learn at your own pace. So make them your daily learning partners. Tip 4. Learn through content you love. Why stick to boring textbooks? English doesn't have to be boring. Watch your favorite movies or shows in English with subtitles. Listen to English songs and try singing along. Follow English learning YouTube channel like our channel Communicating with Rupali. Just kidding. You can follow me, but if you know better channels, feel free to follow those instead. Now, the last and best tip, the power of 3C formula. Let me introduce you to the 3C formula. Confidence, correction, and commitment. So first, build your confidence. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. It means don't fear mistakes. Speak as much as you can, even if it's not perfect. Remember, mistakes are proof that you are learning. Second, focus on correction. When you make a mistake, write it down and fix it. For example, if you say she go to school, correct it to she goes to school. Every mistake is a chance to improve. And third, stay committed. In 2025, make a daily habit of learning. Practice for just 50 minutes every day. Watch video, read English storybooks, or talk to yourself in English. Remember, consistency is the key to fluency. So amigos, 2025 is your year. No more doubts, no more excuses. Start today. So take a small step today. Say something in English right now. Comment below and tell me your favorite English word. Every time you practice, you are moving one step closer to your goal. So take that first step now. Believe in yourself and trust the process. If millions of people can do it, so can you. So friends, if you are serious about improving your English in 2025, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.